All right, so here are the four new perfumes that I got. This one is called Coach Dreams. Let's go ahead and spray it to test it. Take off the plastic. Okay, that's very much of a fresh everyday scent. Then we have Prada Kiss. That smells delicious, just like the regular Pradas. Let me put all the Pradas together. This is my first Prada. Then we have Prada Night, which I wear at night. Okay, then we have this Burberry. This Burberry one here. This is Burberry Brit for Her. Ooh, that's a luxury scent right there. I love this one the most so far. Put that next to my YSL. And then we have my Burberry blush, which is this one. This one is so cute. I like this one a lot as well. Wow, that one smells amazing. So I bought 2 colognes for DJ for Christmas. I'm gonna put them in a bag. Oh, that one smells so good. All right, so let me show y'all something, because I need more space for my perfumes. I don't really like the fact that they're in the bathroom like that. I want them to be more so on display. So I have this thing that I bought a while back that I want DJ to install for me. So I bought this thing. It's like a little shelf. I want my perfumes to be on here, okay? This is where I want them. So I'm gonna ask DJ if he can install this for me tonight. It was $20 at Burlington. I think it will be so cute with all my perfumes. I think I'm gonna do it in my room instead of my beauty room. So I'm just thinking about where would I put it. It needs to be on a wall where I can see. Maybe like right here. And I just move the purse thing. Well, I can't have it against. Maybe on this wall. This wall has nothing. I'll just move that hat. I'll put it right here. I have all my perfumes. So I'm going to leave it out and ask him tonight if he could put that up for me. I'm pretty sure he's going to do it for me because he does everything for me, truthfully. So when he does come over tonight, I'm going to ask him, because we're supposed to be having dinner. Oh, my hand smells so delicious. We're supposed to be having dinner tonight anyway, so I'm going to ask him either before or after we have dinner if he can put that on my wall. That way I can have all my perfumes on display in my room where I get dressed anyways. I think that'll be a perfect addition to the room. Anywho, I'm about to have a cocktail or a little drink. I'm going to have some eggnog. He got me some spiked eggnog. It has like rum in it or something. Wow, I need to clean up this whole house from all this filming today. This is exactly why I want to do this full time, because then I won't have to really put everything back right away, like for going to work or whatever. But it is what it is. I need to find a bag so I can put these in. I don't think these are the bags. Why did I get them so small? They can't fit. Well, this one can, but I'd rather put it in a bigger bag. I'm finally taking this wig off. How much of these do you go through a day? How does thing already?
Cause how you think your hair lays are flat?
Oh, I don't know. Dang, that's crazy.
What hair do you think you have? It's not as slicking though.
Girl.
It's slicky.
All right, so my perfume rack is up. We're gonna go ahead and put all my perfumes up here. Right now they are currently down here. So we're going to go ahead and take them off this tray and bring them over there. I think it's too high up. Yeah, I can't reach the top. All right, y'all. So I was about to start, but it's too high up. Like putting this up there is not a good idea with how far I have to reach. So DJ is going to lower it just a little bit, and then I'll put my perfumes on. So stay tuned.